Hello बच्चों, let's do the question number 2 of exercise 1.3 class 10th. Question number 2 is saying that because I have already solved this question and recorded the video but it got deleted, so I am just repeating this question here. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is an irrational number. Okay, we have to prove that this is an irrational number. Okay, and because we are doing this by contradiction method, so we will take the reverse of this, means opposite of this, that let us assume that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Okay, if this is a rational number, that means it can be written as a upon b, and where a b are integers and b is not equal to 0, and a b are co-prime also. Okay, co-prime numbers means the number which have only 1 as a common factor. Okay, so I am writing this as a 3 plus 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b. So I have written this. When I simplify this further, then 2 root 5 is equal to a upon b. This is plus, here it will be negative, minus 3. So 2 root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon v. And why I have written 3b here, because we got the LCM is b, and to make this b 1b, we multiply this on denominator by b and numerator also by b, so I got 3b, and root 5 is equal to a minus 3b upon 2b, because 2 is multiplying here, in this side it will divide. It is simple. Okay, simple equation solving as we do. Now root 5 is equal to, here from here you can see that root 5 is equal to a is integers. We have already said that a, b are integers, so integers, all these are integers. Okay, and you know that what is a rational number? Rational number means integer divided by a integer. Okay, so which is a rational number. So why assuming that this is a rational number, we are proving that root 5 is a rational number. But we know that root 5 or any prime number under root is a irrational number, and it is a proved fact. Okay, so that means we are assuming wrong. Okay, our assumption is wrong, but actually, okay, we can prove we want to prove by our assumption that root 5 is a rational number, but we know that root 5 is a irrational number. And why this wrong result came to us? Because we have just supposed the wrong. So we can write that ab are integers, ab, all these are integers, and integers upon integers is a rational number. You already know what is a rational number. Okay, which can be written as a p by q, and p and q both are integers, and we are getting the integers here, and from this we are getting root 5 as a rational number. But we know, and we have proved even in the previous question, that root 5 is a irrational number. Not only root 5, for any prime number under root is a irrational number. And we also know that when a irrational number got added or multiplied to a rational number, even then we get the result irrational number. So this is a irrational number actually, and therefore this contradicts this proof that root 5 is a rational number. This is proving that our assumption is proving that root 5 is a rational number, but we know that root 5 is a irrational number. So we got we got this contradiction? We got this contradiction due to our wrong assumptions, but actually 3 plus 2 root 5 is a rational number. Therefore we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is a irrational number. ये बिल्कुल वैसे ही है कि जैसे आपको बोले कि सूरज कहाँ से निकलता है, ठीक है, तो मैंने किसी न किसी तरह से प्रूव कर दिया कि सूरज तो जी पश्चिम से निकलता है, बट ट्रुथ क्या है? द ट्रुथ इज दैट, प्रूव्ड ट्रुथ ये है कि सूरज जो है वो कहाँ से निकलता है? पूरब से ही निकलता है। तो वही वाली बात यहाँ पे है कि किसी न किसी तरह से मैंने प्रूव तो कर दिया कि 3 plus 2 root 5, वही तर्क लेते हुए कि ये ए बी इंटीजर्स है, ये है, तो मैंने प्रूव कर दिया कि रूट 5 जो है वो रैशनल नंबर है। बट एक्चुअली ये जो प्रूव किया है मैंने वो गलत है, ठीक है, वो हम जानते हैं कि गलत है, बिकॉज वी नो दैट द सन राइजेस फ्रॉम द ईस्ट, है ना। तो वही वाली बात यहाँ पे है कि ये फिर ये गलत रिजल्ट क्यों आया? तो हमने क्यों निकाला कि हम सूरज पश्चिम से निकलता है? क्योंकि हो सकता है कि हम गलत खड़े हों, ठीक है, या हो सकता है हमने कुछ गलत सोच लिया हो बीच में। तो वही वाली चीज यहाँ पे है कि हमारे सोचने से कुछ नहीं होगा, हम कुछ भी सोचें, प्रूव कर भी दें कि वो क्या है, रैशनल नंबर है √5, लेकिन हम ऑलरेडी ये प्रूव्ड है कि जो भी √5 है वो इरेशनल नंबर है। तो वही वाली बात यहाँ पे है, उसी को आपने लिखना है कि वी हैव प्रूव्ड दैट √5 इज अ रैशनल नंबर विच कंट्राडिक्ट्स द फैक्ट दैट √5 इज इरेशनल नंबर। ये उसका कंट्राडिक्ट करता है, जबकि हमें पता है कि 3 + 2 √5 एक इरेशनल नंबर ही है। और यहाँ से हम बिल्कुल ये कंक्लूड करते हैं कि 3 + 2 √5 इरेशनल नंबर ही है। और जब भी हम अज्यूम करेंगे कि ये क्या है, एक रैशनल नंबर है, तो हमारा जो रिजल्ट है वो हमेशा गलत ही आएगा। ठीक है, तो इसीलिए हम जानते हैं कि 3 + 2 √5 एक इरेशनल नंबर है। दैट्स ऑल।